We are at the HARTING Innovation Hub at Osnabrück, where Josh is going to talk to us about the device connectivity solutions from HARTING and what they are going to exhibit at Hannover Messe 2025.
Today, I think we have presented here a lot of news, which we will show at the Hannover Fair, and especially here in this area. And please come with me. So we are showing here a lot of, let me say, new things around device connectivity, and to make it much more easier for the device manufacturer as well as the user of devices to handle our connectivity at the device. So on the one side, HARTING stands for so-called push-pull locking mechanism. And to show that here to you, push-pull means nothing else to have an M12 connector, and if you want to connect it, you only have to put it down and it's already locked. And this locking mechanism, again, which we call push-pull, we have it here for M12, but we have it also now as a complete new highlight, which we will show at Hannover Fair, for D-sub. So D-sub, normally, two screws, which you have to use to lock a D-sub connector to the D-sub pin header. But with our new push-pull housing for D-sub, you don't need that anymore. You can really pull it, and you can put it again without any screws, completely tool-less. So which is really a great thing, and you can use that also with all existing products in the market. Besides the locking mechanism of push-pull, we are also showing here that we have a broad range of M12 connectors for design freedom of devices, as well as the complementary connector product already with an installed cable. So we produce all our pre-assembled cables with the overmolding technology, and you can really see it here. We have really, for each challenge in the application, in the devices, we have a solution. So what we can see here is, and we show that it's more or less a transparent device by itself. What we also offer here is that we offering pre-assembled cabling solutions for device manufacturers, so that they have it much more easier in their production process. That is also something we can offer like a service, in other words. So last but not least, what we also launched at the Hannover Fair is our new HARTING modular system. And modular system now for PCB or device connectivity design. Normally you have pin headers, and for each function you have a separate pin header. But with the HARTING solution, you can combine different functions within one pin header. And we have then also the corresponding connector also in a modular style, which is really revolutionary, I would say, for the design freedom of devices. So, and then really last but not least, what we are showing here is an application of retrofitting, so that if you use for an, let's say, analog machine, an analog device, but you want to digitalize an analog already existing device, then you can use electronics from the company Perinet, including our corresponding connectivity in the style of single pair Ethernet. And that is also really something which is great, which makes the world much more digital.